is not. Wow, that is not. That's a little baby. Throwing peanuts out there for the crows. The crows like the big shelled peanuts. Which is dead.
I'm gonna show you the real one.
Below,
Honey, I'm gonna show you the real one. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the real witch. Granny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot the real witch.
No, you don't shoot anybody. That's not nice.
Ding
To fool
dong, the
Mother
witches.
Nature.
Ding dong, the witches. The goblins are here and I fight them off. That's a real one.
Okay. Okay. If you say so.
So repeat it.
No, I'm watching the birds. I'm videotaping the birds, watching to see if they get some peanuts. Hey, there's a little bird up there trying to get peanuts.
And I don't want to get nighttime and it's going to be a shower. It's going to get nighttime, so we have to hurry, Dad.
Are you kidding me? It's just daylight.
Yeah.
The daytime has just started.
Yeah. What else?
Them big birds are trying to scare them away, but they are not getting scared.
Not getting scared.
They will not be chased away.
Are you not scared?
No. Your one flew away. He's up in the tree.
Is up in the tree, Granny? Yes, Granny.
Yeah, he's right there.
Does he want to relax a little?
I think so. What kind of tree, what kind of bird that is? I wonder what kind of bird that is. I've never seen one of those here before.
Granny.
Yep.
Good girl, Grandpa said it's an Oriole thing.
It's not an Oriole. That one's not an Oriole. I got a picture of the Oriole the other day. Wow. That is awesome.
Down there.
I do see it. They're a pair. It's two of them.
What's the name for the bears?
It's a pair. It means that there's two. A pair means two. They must be traveling together.
Wait, those things turn on at nighttime.
I know. They're beautiful, aren't they?
Wait, there's like 1, 2 of those light bulbs. There's 4 of those little light bulbs.
Mm-hmm. 3 of the light bulbs. There's 6 of the lights. Ooh, it brightened up all of a sudden. Wow.
Hey, wait. Hey, Granny.
Huh?
There's 2 of them. I know he's eating food.
Yeah. They're really happy that you guys feed them. They know right where to go for food.
No, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Is it such a great, beautiful bird?
Yeah, they are beautiful birds. I'm anxious to see what kind it is. Grandpa's gonna find out.
Yeah, Grandma's gonna find out.
Uh-huh.
He's gonna ask the dude.
Yeah, he's gonna ask the dude.
Dude, maybe I'm on the bed.
Okay. There he is. I was looking for him. There he is.
If you what?
I'm just trying to hold the camera steady so I can get him on video. Oh, they're both right there. Hey, there's a female cardinal right there too. See her?
Yes,
See her?
yes, on the picture.
Boy, they're just hanging out, aren't they? Look at them. We gotta find out what that is. So there's the yellow bird, there's a female cardinal, there's another little yellow bird. Oh, they're so